Hi guys, welcome back, and today we will learn New Concept English Book 1, Lesson 103 and 105. Okay? Assalamu alaikum arkadaşlar. Yana bu şu yeni uqum ingliz tili dersligimizga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Ana bugun yeni uqum ingliz tiliniki 103-darsdan 105-darsga o'rganmoqchi. Oldi bilan andaqda biz o'tgan soat o'rgangan darslarni qisqagina bir takrorlagandan keyin ondan keyin biz yangi darsimizni boshlab ketsak. Alright. Andaqda qaranglar, bugungi dars o'tgangi darsimizda o'rgangan yangi so'zlarni bir tutashtirib beringlar. Masalan, birinchisi CA ekan-ku, nima? Card. Good job. Nima? Youth. Keyingisi right. Macho hostel. Okay, Scotland. Association. Soon. Okay, road. Yaxshi, road deganimiz nima? Shu right-niki o'tgan zaman shakli. Alright guys, today we will learn lesson 103, the French test. Qaranglar, endi bu yerga French test bugun o'rganmoqda. O'g'on darsimiz French test. Look at this test. Look at these pictures. Qaranglar, bu savol, bu rasmlarni nima ekan? Wow, vahshiy imtihon berayotgan kayfiyat ekan-ku. Endi bugungi darsimizda shu imtihon to'g'riliq. Bular fransuz tili imtihon to'g'riliq bir dialog bor. Mana shuni o'rganib chiqmoqchi. Endi qaranglar, savollar. Do you know this? What is this? Okay, what is this picture? Look. Endi qarasanglar, bu birinchi rasm nima ekan bola? This is French flag. Yaxshi, Fransiyaning nimasi? Bayrog'i. Okay, endi ikkinchi rasm qaranglar bola. Bu rasm shu Fransiyaning intayin simvol xarakterli rasmi-ku. Endi buningda nima bor ekan? Yaxshi, Eiffel Tower. Good job. What about this? Okay, this is triumphal arch. Okay, nima triumphal deganimiz nima? Zafar. Okay, shu g'albaning, zafarning degan gap. Shunami? Arch. Shuniki arch degan avlaytimda agma degan gap. Endi men yardim deb tarim qildim. Darvoza demak, shu agma shaklli darvoza. Shunami? Triumphal arch. Odatda zafar darvozasi deymiz. All right, so look. So, what is your favorite subject at your school? Endi sadoshlar biringlar. Mushu sizlarniki, mushu maktabdagi eng yaxshi ko'radigan pantaronli qaysi? Uyghur, Chinese, English or mathematics? And why? Qaranglar, nima yari mathematics degan nima yari sanglar? Mathematics deganimiz matematika, buni qisqartib maths deymiz, ha. Uni Uyg'urcha, Uyg'ur tili, Chinese, Hanzu tili, English, ingliz tili, mathematics. And why? Nimishqa? Okay. And so that's why men savollar sizlarga savol qoldiray. Bo'lsa sizlar mushuni bizningki abdiy ta'limimiz orqali qolimiz e'lon qilingan va yoki bizningki mushu Beijingninki Gongjongping tabacho salon orqali qanarasanglar, qaytosanglar mushu qaytgan savollarga mukofot o'rlashtiramiz, ha. Hammanglarga qanarasanglar mukofot bor. All right. And the birinchi savol mana bo'ldi. Ikkinchi savol. How do you like exams at school? Okay, and the miyarga, how do you like exam at school? Demakchi maktabdagi imtihonlarni yoqtiramsizlar? Qanday yoqtirasizlar? Okay, shu sababi ne bo'lsa, bir oddiy shu elektronlik pochta yo'llanmasi yoki salon orqali va yoki bo'lmasa bizningki shu abdital orqali javob qaytarsa bo'ladi. Okay, uchinchi savol. Okay, if you want to pass in English, what should you do? Okay, and if you want to agar manda qilishni xohlasangiz, nima qilishni? Ingliz tilida o'tashni xohlasangiz, what should you do? Siz nima ish qilishingiz kerak? Okay, endi bu yerga pass deganimiz o'tmak degan gap, imtihonda o'tmak. Andaqda o'tolmaslik qilib qilish bo'lsin bo'ldi desanglar, fail degan gapcha, fail. Okay, so if you want to pass, what should you do? O'tmoqchi bo'lsangiz nima ish qilishingiz kerak? Okay. Yeah, also ma'ning javobini qanday desanglar, yozsanglar bo'ladi. Okay, pass deganimiz o'tmak, fail deganimizcha layoqsiz o'qilish, o'tolmaslik degan gap. Okay, question number 4. You study hard, but the exam is too difficult. How do you feel after the exam? Okay, nima? Siz imtihon terish bugunsiz, biroq imtihon bo'lsa, imtihon qiyin, too difficult. Okay, endi bu yerga difficult deganimiz imtihon qiyin degan gap, to deganimiz imtihon. Andaqda How do you feel? Qandarak his qilsiz after the exam? İmtihandan keyin. Okay. And sağlaşma difficult deganimiz qiyin, easy. All right. And the easy deganimiz nima? Oson. Easy. Or what about difficult? Okay. Difficult. Ama talaffuz qilganda qat qilamiz. Buni nima deymiz? Difficult. Yaxshi. Difficult. Yana birisi easy. Okay. E deganda og'zingda qashanglikda ko'tarilsa easy, good. Difficult deganda nima? Qiyin. Yaxshi. So, qanday qilsizlar? Qanday his qilsizlar? Mushuning javobini qanday rasanglar? Mushuni yo'llasanglar bo'ldi. All right. Okay, question number 5. You know, if you don't study hard, you can't answer any question on the paper. If so, what will you do during the exam time? All right. Hamda ma'o vashi savol. Qaranglar. Agar siz qana tirishib o'rganmasangiz, if you don't study hard, you can't answer any question on the paper. Hamda o'sha imtihon qog'oziga hech qanday savolga javob berolmaysiz. Agar shunda qolib qolsa, imtihon vaqtida nima ish qilsangiz? Okay, endi misharga paper deganimizda qog'oz degan gap, bu imtihon qog'ozini ko'rsatadi. Okay, answer any question. Question degan nima? Savol degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, number 6. If you didn't pass the test, what would your friends say to you? Agar hamda o'sha imtihondan o'tamisangiz, sizning do'stingiz sizga nima deydi? Nima deyishi mumkin? Balkim yurasizlar nima? Cheer up. Cheer up. Oy bir ruhliq bo'l, oy tetik bo'l, oy man maydonni ko'tara deymizmi? Cheer up. Okay, cheer up. Andaqda yana nima deyish mumkin? Okay, undaqda o'shning javobini bizga ayting, biz sizga qanday desanglar mukofot aytamiz. Okay. Okay, andaqda bugungi darsimizga yangi so'zlarni o'rganib ketaylik, savodoshlar. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar, meni bir tal rasm bor nima? Methods. Ma 4 ga 7 qo'shsin aytchi, birga birini qo'shsa, ma qanday ekan savodoshlar, oson o'qiymi sizlarga? Ishni nimaga? Yesinglar bolalar bo'lmasanglar, o qiyin emas, nima? All right. Yeah, it's easy enough for me to answer. Okay, endi meni enough. Good. Enough deganimiz nima? Yetarlik degan gap, yetarlik. Masalan, it's easy enough. U bo'lsa yetarlik oson for me, men uchun to answer. Okay, endi meni to deganimiz nima? G'oqaga aka. Odatda ismlarning oldiga kelsa, bo'ladi, masalan, o'rin joylarning oldiga kelsa, yo'lnishni ifodalaydi. Shunami? Masalan, uyga, maktabga degandek. Andaqda fe'llarning oldiga kelsa o'xshamaydi. Odatda fe'llarning oldiga kelsa, maqsadni ifodalaydi. Nima ish qilishga, javob berishga, men uchun u qanday yetarlik, oson. Oson. It's easy enough for me to answer. Okay, I'm sma keyin degan qaranglar. The car is, qarasanglar, the car is megacho for me to buy. Men uchun yetarlik qanday arzon. Xo'sh, arzon degan nima deymiz? Arzon, cheap, shunami? Anda bu enoughdan keyin yana bir diqqat qiladigan nuqtamiz, enoughni ishlatgan narsalar cho'qim sifatlarning keyinda sifat degan nima? Shunami? Cho'qim qanday keyinda bo'lishi kerak? Masalan, cheap enough, easy enough, good enough. Shunami? Degandek, shu sifatning keyinda kelishi kerak. Shunga ma'lum the car is cheap enough for me to buy. Bu mashina men uchun setib olishga qanday yetarlik holda, qanday arzon degan gap. Look that picture. All right. Do you like the exams? No, I don't like exams. No, I don't like exams. And the don't like no order hate. Okay, and I hate exam. All right, and the hate deganimiz nima? Sanlar, uch degan gap. Demakchi, I don't like yoki nima? Dislike demakchi. Uch xo'sham yo'q degan gap. Tushunami? All right. All right, and the next one. Look at that paper. Look at that paper. It's a French, right? The guy wrote his name at the top of the paper. Okay, xo'sh. Anima guy degan nima desanglar, odatda shu o'g'il bolalarni chaqirganda bala deb chaqiramiz, o'g'il bola shu guy shunami? And er kishi bo'lsa the man, all right, and the guy. And the guy degan bolalar degan gap. Odatda shu eg'iz til chaqirganda unformal, birasmiy holda ishlatganda bu o'g'il qizlarning hammasini guys deb ishlataymiz. Hi guys, how are you? deganda shunami? Deganda guy. And the guy wrote his name ismini yozdi at the top of the paper. Xo'sh, hamda top degan nima desanglar? Shu rasmdagidek, shu qog'ozning usti tarafi shunami? And the bottom deganchi, bottom degan osti tarafi. Top usti, bottom qanday desanglar osti. And the misharki at the top of degan nima? Shuning cho'qqisiga, shuning ustiga demakchi, ma u intam qog'ozning bo'lgan bo'lsa, ma ustida bo'ldi, bottom degan nima? Tegadi. At the top of shu usti tarafi degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, at the top of the paper. And then we have top degan shu angishqora shu top 1, top 2, top 3, mesela top 10 shunami? Demakchi shu ang 10-si shunaqa. Mesela something nechinchi, I'm top 1, top 2, top 10 shunaqa. Demakchi 10 kuchlik, 10 yuqorisi demakchi ang yaxshilarning 10 degan gap shu. Okay. So, look, this is methods, okay? You know, I could answer 2 of the questions, but I couldn't answer the rest. Qaranglar, qarsanglar ikkisiga javob bera oladi, shunami? Masalan, birga qo'ysa 2 qo'ysa 4, lekin oxirchi I couldn't. Okay. Bu shartga rest degan nima desanglar, qilib qolganlari, eshib qolgan degan gap, eshib qolgan degan gap. Okay. Masalan, restning ikkinchi ma'nosi nima desanglar, damamoq, aramoq degan gap. Masalan, rest of the eggs have gone bad. Okay, rest of the eggs demakchi, tuxumninki qilib qolganlari, eshib qolganlari qana bo'ldi? Have gone bad. Sesib ketdi. Yoki sufti buzilib qoldi, shunami? Okay, look at these guys. These guys got what? You know, full mark. Mark degan numar, full degan to'liq numar oldi. Demakchi 100 lam elib o'tgan gap, shunami? Andaqda ma'yoqchi, masalan 7, 6.5, 4.5 deb turamda. And my 7 nima desanglar, very high mark. Okay, what about 4 and 4.5? Low mark. High mark is low degan past, shuna high mark yuqorida bor, low mark deganimiz tuan number degan gap bo'ldi. Low mark. Okay guys, so which word is missing? Just let's play a game. So which words is missing? Okay, which word is missing? Low. Which word is missing? Mark. Which word is missing? Rest. Which word is missing? Enough. Which word is missing? Past. Which word is missing? Top. Which word? Difficult. Which word? Mathematic guy. Which word? Hate. Okay, hate. Okay, cheer. Right? Okay, fail. Good job. Perfect. Alright, let's look at the text. Okay, look. You know, read and pick true or false. And that's how there's avval mushu tekstni o'qinglar, yoki men hozir sizlarga mushning anglash qismini qo'yib beray. Undan keyin men tek shu belgi qo'yash, to'g'ri degan belgini qo'yinglar. Agar endi mushu o'qib bergan jumla to'g'ri bo'lsa, true degan natiga mana bel qo'yib qo'yishlar. Agar xato bo'lib qolsa, ma false degan natiga mana bel qo'yishlar. Okay, answer. Mushning anglash qismini bir anglab baqsaq.
Lesson 105. Full of mistakes. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. What was Sandra's present? Where's Sandra, Bob? I want her.
Do you want to speak to her?
Yes, I do. I want her to come to my office. Tell her to come at once.
Did you want to see me?
Ah, yes, Sandra. How do you spell intelligent? Can you tell me?
INTELLIGENT.
That's right. You've typed it with only one L. This letter's full of mistakes. I want you to type it again.
Yes, I'll do that. I'm sorry about that.
And here's a little present for you.
What is it?
It's a dictionary. I hope it'll help you.
Okay, look, amsa qarama. Buningdagi birinchisi, the English and methods paper weren't easy enough, Gary. Easy enough for Gary. Gary uchun shu English bilan methods oson emas ekan. Shunami? To'g'rimi, xatomi? Yeah, it's true, right? Oh, sorry, true. Okay, next one. Richard thinks he failed the English paper. Okay, Richard mushu ingliz tilidan o'tamadim deb qaraydi ekan. To'g'rimi? Yes, true or false? Tanlanglar. Okay. Fails. Shunami? Okay. I think I can pass deydi, shunami? Okay, and then number 3. French tests are awful. Is it true? Yeah, it's true, right? The guy next to the Gary didn't write a word. Yes, exactly. Except his name, right? Good job. And sağlasam şu bizden tekstimizdeki şu language focus qarab baqayli. Focus degan nokta, muhim nokta. Bizden şu eng tay muhim bo'lgan til nuqtalarimizga bir qarab baqayli, o'rganish nuqtasimizga. Okay, and the birinchisi qaranglar. The English and math paper weren't easy enough for me. Xo'sh. Endi bu yerga mana ikkinchi bo'shlig'ini to'ldirib baqinglar. It is warm enough. We can wear our dresses. Okay, we can wear our dresses. Okay, nima? Havo hozir qanday desanglar, nihoyatda yetarli iliq. Shunga biz shu uzun ko'ylaklarimizni qanday kiysak bo'ladi demakchi. Bak qalin tashbaq chaponlarni kiymasak-mi, shuni dressni kiysak bo'ladi demakchi. Okay, so I couldn't catch the early bus because I didn't run. Okay, qanday enough? Okay, fast enough. Demakchi, men yetarli tiz yugurmagachga avtobusni qanday qilib qoldim? Kechikib qoldim. Demak, endi mushariki sifatlarningki yoki ravishlarning keyinigini muqaddimamiz bolalar enough. Enough deganni qasaq qanday bo'ldi desanglar, shu to'g'ri ishlatgan bo'lamiz. Okay. Ana savodasa enough'dan yana bir ishlatilish qaranglar. Bu enough'ni yana nega ishlatishga bo'ldi desanglar, yana birga shu ismlarning oldiga ishlatishga bo'ldi. Masalan, I have enough time to finish my homework. Demakchi, to finish my homework, men topshiriqimni ishlashga mening yetarli bor, vaqtim bor. And so she has enough money to buy a new computer. O yangi kompyuter sotib olishga yetarli qilimiz va puli bor. Demak, enough yani nimalarni olib kelishga bo'ldi ekan desanlar, ismlarni olib kelishga bo'ldi. Shunga sifat ravishning keyindan enough keldi, yoki bo'lmasa ismni oldirin. Cho'qim ma'noga diqqat qilib olinglar. Okay. Keyingisi right or wrong. Agar to'g'ri bo'lsa to'g'ri, xato bo'lsa xato deb bir hukm qilib beringlar. Birinchisi, you are driving enough fast. Okay. To'g'rimi? Xato. Okay. You are driving enough fast. You are driving fast enough, right? Fast enough. You must do your homework carefully enough. Okay, carefully enough. And that the exam is not enough difficult for me. Okay, okay, there are enough books for students. Books we have enough time to wear the flowers. Yes, it is. Paper. And then we have a piece of paper, piece of paper. And 3 pieces of paper, and then we have a kagaz qanday qilmaydi desanglar, shu sanig'ini olmaychi, ba'zi ahvollarda faqat biz shu gazet, masalan, yana nima deymiz, intam qog'ozi bo'lganda qanday desanglar, sanaydigan gap. Shunga masalan, I bought a paper and read it at home. Musharika paper degan bir parcha nima bo'ldi? Gazet. Gazet shunami? And we have here are your papers. Please write your name down. Okay, endi bu yerga bu bo'lsin imtihon qog'ozingiz, shuni qana qiling, ismingizni yozing. Demakchi bu yerga birinchi paper gezit, ikkinchisi nima? Writing paper. No, writing, sorry. Bu yerga papers degan imtihon qog'ozi. Demak, imtihon qog'ozi yana birga yana bo'lganda, shu gezit bo'lganda sanaymiz, bo'lmasa sanamaymiz arkadaşlar. Masalan, writing paperni qana sanalmaydi. Writing paper sanalmaydi. Okay guys, so let's look at the text and so arkadaşlar. Bu tekstni bir obdan tushunib baqaylik. Agar men retell qilganda bo'lsa, sizlar naq maydonda bo'lgan bo'lsanglar, sizlar o'shani bir deb baqsanglar, shunga men azroq qisqagina bir necha sekundda vaqt beray. Shuni bir o'zinglar shu ko'rayotgach moslashib menga bir desanglar, undan keyin men ba'zi muhimlarni qanday qilib ketay, so'zlab ketay. Okay, qaranglar. Endi men ma jumla shaklini o'zinglar deb not I think okay. And so ma so'rada biraydan so'ra how was the exam Richard? Okay. And the Gary Richardson how was the exam? Voy imtihonni qandaroq ba'dingiz? And how was your exam bo'lsa imtihonimiz qandaroq? And how was your exam? Endi o'tgan zaman tushunama, imtihon berib bo'lgan ekan. How was your exam Richard? Voy imtihonni qandaroq ba'dingiz Richard? Tushunama? Desa okay, and Richard deb javob berdi. Not too bad. I think I passed in English and mathematics. The questions were very easy. Here, how about you? Dedi. Ancha nachar emas. Meningcha, men ingliz bilan matematikani qanday qildim? O'tdim. The questions were very easy. Nima? O savollar intayin qanday oson chiqibdi. How about you? Sizchu? Desa, demlaydi, the English and math paper weren't easy enough for me. And the men uchun ingliz bilan matematika qanday emas ekan deydi, unchalar oson emas ekan, yetarli oson emas ekan. I hope I haven't failed. Okay, and then I hope. Men umid qilaman. Nima qilmasligimni? I haven't failed. O'tmay qolmasligimni qanday qilaman? Umid qilaman. Bu demakchi, ama ishga inkor ekan emas, men ishga inkor bo'lsa, bu nima dersanglar, bu kunning bo'ldi, nima bo'ldi? O'tib ketishimni qanday qilaman? Umid qilmaydigimga bo'ldi. All right. And then bu yani I think I failed the French paper. I couldn't answer the 16 of the questions. They were very easy, but I couldn't answer the rest. They were too difficult for me. Menimcha I failed the French paper. Men bu shu fransuz tili imtihonini qanday qilmadim, o'tamadim. Okay? Yoki layoqqa solib qoldim. I could answer the 16 of the questions. Men savollarning 16siga javob berdim, lekin I couldn't answer the rest. They were too difficult for me. Ular menga intayin qanday ekan task edi. Dedi. All right. French tests are awful, aren't they? Okay, mush fransuz tili imtihonlari intayin zade awful, intayin nachar ekan zade. Vahshi bo'lmaydi ekan, qamlashmagan chiqibdi, shunami? Shunday emasmi? Okay, men yerga test jumla bo'ldi, shunami? Okay. I hate them. I'm sure I've got low mark. Men ishonamanki, qanday? Men o'shandan qanday low mark, 2 numar oldim, deydi. Oh, cheer up. Voy, ruhliq bo'l, voy bitta kerak bo'lar. Perhaps we didn't do too badly. Biz unchalarni nachar bermagandik. You know, the guy next to me, okay, wrote his name at the top of the paper. Meni yanimda o'tirgan bola, o'sha o'zining ismini shu imtihon qog'ozining ustiga ham yozib qo'ydi. Okay. Then he sat there and we had o'tirib and looked at it for 3 hours. Shu qog'ozga qarab soat o'tdi. Okay. He didn't write a word. Bir tal so'zni mo qanday qilmadi, yozib qo'ymadi. Demakchi, aniq nisbatan biz hali ta'lilik emas degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, endi ma tekstning asos mazmuni ekan. Okay, savollar, endi shu tekstimizni ko'rib o'tdik. Endi ma keyingi darsimiz 104-darsimizda shu tekstimizga intayin bo'yin bo'lgan nuqta. Demakchi, to very enough niki ishlatishni o'rganmoqchi. Okay. Lesson 104 to very enough. Endi qaranglar, ma birinchisi yangi so'zlarni ko'rib o'taylik. Okay, so bu yangi so'zlarga shunday qaraydigan bo'lsak, birinchisi nima? Clever. Okay, what does the clever means? Like learning and understanding things quickly and easily. Ama nima English definitions demakchi bir narsa intayin oson tushunaladigan ham o'rganaladigan bo'lsa, chaqqan tiz mushuni deymiz clever demakchi aqlliq deymiz. Nima? Clever. Okay, endi buni aks ma'nosimi, qarama-qarshi ma'nosi stupid. Stupid. Okay, stupid degani nima? Dud. Kallışlamaydigan degan gap. Ama foolish degancha, foolish nima deyapsan? Kallışlamaydigan. Aqlliq nima deymiz? Clever. Okay, shunlar clever. Good. Stupid. Stupid. Yoki nima? Foolish. Okay, clever, stupid. Yoki nima? Foolish. Okay. Endi qaranglar, ma qarindosh qaraydigan bo'lsak, nima? It's very cheap. Bir mo'chan, ikki mo'chan sizlar olasiz. What about that diamond? Okay, it's costing little money. U kichikgina azroq pul sarf qilish nima? What about diamond? Okay, endi mana bu olmos so'rashlar, olmosni bir mo'chan, ikki mo'chan sizlar olmaymiz axsham, shunami? It's very expensive, right? It costs a lot of money. O nima? Nurg'un pul sarf qilinib sotilish. Shunami? Shunga nima? O qimmat. Expensive. Okay. Expensive. Okay. Azan deganda-chi cheap. Yaxshi, cheap. Good. Amsa kingsa. King so'zim ekan, it's fresh. Ama mevjudga qarasanglar, yangi ekan shunami? It's fresh. What about that? Stale. Qarasanglar bir xil rang o'zgarib ketgan, buzib qolgan shunami? Not new or not fresh. Okay, endi mayarki paks. Yangi degancha clean or cool. Okay, now I face it. Okay, fresh, yana birisi stale. Okay, endi qaranglar malazlarga. They are qanaqa bir nechisi? They are stale. What about this? Anachirki birisi qanaqa desanglar? This is fresh. Fresh. Stale. Good. What about this? What about that diamond? A diamond, it's very hard. What about that baby's hand? It's not hard, right? It's very soft. Yumshaq. The diamond is hard. Shunami? Olmos bo'lsa, qada yumshoqmi qattiqmi? Albatta qattiq. Qattiq deganda nima deymiz? Hard. Olmos deganda chiqarishlar? Diamond. Okay, like the baby's hand is softmi, hardmi? Okay, good. It's soft. Yaxshi, amsa qaranglar. Aniki lemoncho, it's sour, right? It's having unpleasant taste or smell like lemon. Mushu lemon o'xshash qanday chuchmal bo'lsin deymiz. Sour deymiz. Savoqlashlar. Sour, chuchmal. Okay. Undaqda lemon tastes nima? Sour. Shunami? What about the candy? Masalan, kempchu savoqlashlar. Ko'pincha kemp nima? Sweet. Good. Sweet. Yana with a lot of sugar in it. Mushu ichida nurg'un shikar bo'lsa, odatda bu nima? Sweet. Sweet degan tatliq, sour degancha chuchmal. Okay. Like candies are sweet. Masalan, kemplar bo'lsa qanday tatliq. Candies. Lemoncho, it's sour. Okay, guys. What is this? Clever. What is this? Cheap. What is this? Expensive. What is this? Okay. What is this? Stale. What is this? Sweet. What about this? Okay. Fresh. Clean. Cheap. Stale. Sweet. Hard. Clever. Expensive. Stupid. High. Sour. Soft. Fresh. Good job. Alright, let's look at sentence structure. Alright. Endi qarab baqirgan bo'lsak, endi qaranglar, birinchi rasmdan indapti. I could answer the question. It was very easy. Right? It was very easy. Andaqda misharki very deganimiz nima desanglar, odatda mushu nihoyatda deb ifodalanuvchi. Demakchi, sizlar mushu sifatlarning darajasini bildirib keladi-ku. Mushu sizlar o'ylagandan nihoyatda yaxshi tarafga mangsa, o'ylagandan texmi yaxshi bo'lsa, shu very ni ishlatamiz. Masalan, very easy, very good, okay, very nice degandekchi. Okay, hamma qaranglar. I couldn't answer the question. It was too difficult. Endi men yerga too deganni nihoyatda deb tarjima qilamiz, lekin uyg'urchada. Endi lekin buning nimasi bizning o'ylig'inimizdan qanday desanglar, naq ta'turga. Demakki, bizni beorom qilsa, bizni naroz qilsa, bizning ochig'imizni keltirsa, ba'zi ahvollarcha, mana shunga too deb ishlatamiz. Too deb ishlatamiz. Demakki, naq bizningki o'ylig'inimizning aksicha bo'ladi, ama too. Masalan, too difficult. O jo'ja sat qiyinken ma'vo. Endi men deganda hargiz bu ajab qiyinken deb xo'sh bo'lib ketmaymiz-ku. Demakki, ma'lum bir narsa sizniki mushu naroz qilsa, mushu too ni ishlatamiz, too. Masalan, too cold. Jo'ja sovuq ekan shunama. Too hot. O jo nimda chiqmavo. Mushu yazda hammalar too hot deb ketishunami? Degandek, mushu ahvollarga too ni ishlatamiz. Okay? Endi yana bir diqqat qilgan nuqtamiz savolashlar. Mushariki I could answer the question. It was very easy. Okay, endi mushariki easy enough. Okay, endi mushariki enough degan nima arsanlar yetarli. Naq bizning shu o'ylig'inimizdeklam. Ya o'ylig'inimizning aksicha emas, ya bek qanday emas. Demak shu normal chiqqan bo'lsa enough. Masalan, the question was easy enough for me to answer. Nima ish qilishga, javob berishga yetarli qanday bo'ldi? Oson bo'ldi. Okay. Endi men yerga for somebody deganimiz hamda nima desanlar? Okay. Ma'lum bir odam uchun aytganlar degan gap. Masalan, it's easy enough for me. Okay, men uchun. O men uchun oson yoki men uchun qiyin degandek-ku. Shunga ama for me degan ma'lum bir kishi uchun. Masalan, I couldn't answer the question. It was too difficult. And the question was too difficult for me to answer. And me yerga abaymi dedik, savolashlar too deganimiz nima? G'aqaga, pillaning oldiga keschu, maqsad ifodalaydi. Demakki, javob berishga men uchun qanday tas. Nima? Too difficult. All right. Demakki, too. Demakki, ma'lum bir ish qilishga qanday nihoyatda degan gap. Okay. For somebody. Okay. O'xshashlam shu ma'lum bir uchun edi. Ansa bir mashq qilib savolashlar. Ansa qaranglar, too very enough degan mashina ishlatsa. Masalan, he's clever to answer all the question. Anu clever sifatning kaynida kelsa nima keldi? Enough. Muqarrara enough. Okay, masalan, for sale deb qo'yibdi, ama uy sotiladi deb tushunama. He will buy the house. It is enough cheap demdoq. Yo'q. Adabda bu nima? Very cheap. Sotib olasiz qanday desanlar? Very. Okay, endi qaranglar. The carrot is, and so ishni qarasanglar, carrot is for him to eat. Qanday? Is enough demdoq. Yo'q, sifatninki qanday desanlar oldir ekan, shunga nima? Very demdoq ya too demdoq. Buni ishlaganda nima desanlar for him to yeb bulanmabdi shunama. Shunga too hard for him to. Demakki, agar yalg'am bo'lsa very hard, nima? Asallam yutdi. Hamda shu yemagan ekan nima? Aksi ma'no bo'lgan ekan nima? Too. Okay. And eat me deb bir ism bor ekan. Men qarasanglar, the candies are okay for me to eat. Qanday? It's too sweet for me to eat. Demakki, buni mening yeyishimga intayin tatliq demakki, ana tatliqlikka addidan qanday ishib ketgan. Okay, endi keyin qaranglar. Ma'vo birsi muzikani tushunaman. The sound is loud. Okay, for him to hear. And the music loud keyin kelgandan keyin enough keldi. Good. What about this? The stereo is okay for him to hear. Too low for him to hear. What about this? Orange is, and in them as well, too intelligent, very much. Okay, it's too sour for him to eat. Jig'lab ketibdi. Wow, shunga nima too deb tanlaydi. Savolashlar, undan keyin keyingi mashqni qanday qilamiz desanglar, agar bu mashqniki teg'imi tafsiliy mazmuni qiziqsanglar, bizningki g'oya update olimizni tushirib, shu orqali anglasanglar, bu teg'imi ko'p mazmunlarni shundan ta'minlab bersak.